Hello guys, welcome to Bits. This is Anirban Sarkar, your mentor for the Python program. So today we are going to see the data types in Python. What are data types? If you are aware of the different languages like Java, C++ or anything, so you must know what are the data types. So if you are not aware of that and you are starting from Python itself, so let me clear something that what are datas. So at first we must know what are datas, then we could jump to what are data types. So datas are basically a set of information or some information that are stored in some memory location. So data is personally it could be a string, it could be a integer type. Like if you are giving your name or you are storing your name, so it is a string type data. So you are storing your name in a string type data. What is a string type data? This set of characters are known as strings. So what is a character is like alphabets, or character are like some special characters like at the rate, hashtag. These are some special characters. Or if you can say one numeric types also, 1 2 3 4, this also can be converted into characters or can be assumed as character if it is in a double inverted commas. So characters are mainly some kinds of alphabets or numerics that are that are in double inverted commas. And single values, like if I am giving a is equal to x is equal to a, this is a character, it's not a string. But in Python you will be getting it in a class type, that is char or str. See, this is a class type, that is str, that means string. But in other languages, this single alphabet is a character type alphabet, not a string type alphabet. If I am giving my full name, so this will also be a str type class. And in Python, every data type is a class type. Okay. So there are several types of data, like if I am giving 10, and Python directly converts, it doesn't have to like in other programming languages. We have to mention like this. We have to mention like this, that int a is equal to 10, or string b is equal to something, and something float x is equal to something 40.5 or something like that. But in Python you don't have to do that. In Python it directly converts the given data to its type. Like I have given y is equal to 10, it doesn't know, you have not given it is an integer int y is equal to 10 or something like that. But Python directly converts is to class type int. Okay. See, it have directly converted it to the class type int. Or if I just do something like this, point 4, what you will see, just see, it have converted it to the class type float. It is a class type float. Python doesn't need any pre-specification of the data type. What's the type of the? So data type is what is data type? Data type is basically a set of information about the data. What the data is of, like it is an integer type, it is a string type, it is a float type, it is a boolean type. What type of data is that? So if I give s is equal to true, so what type of data is this? What type of data type is this? What type of data is this? This data belongs to a class. Which type of class? Let's see. This belong to the bool type class, which is a boolean type class, whether true or whether false, right? The either one or either zero. If you have studied the discrete mathematics, we know that there are only two logics, either one or either zero, either true, either false. So this is the data type. What are the data types? There are many numerous data types. String type is there, float type is there, boolean type is there, there is char type is there, then there are several other data types are there. So these are the main three data types which we will be working with. So like if I say y is equal to 10, like we have given y is equal to 10.4, x is equal to 7, oh sorry, x we have already taken, f is equal to 7, and we just print type of x plus f. See, which is giving a type error. Why it is giving a type error? It is giving a type error because this is a string type and this is an integer type. Concatenation of string. Concatenation means joining of string, and to string is possible, not string to int. So if I just change the x to y, which is a float type, what will happen? Just let's see. It is a float type. Automatically, when a decimal addition is done, it is converted to a float type, because where the other point will go. Integer type doesn't require any point. Doesn't have any point, but float type have a point, has a point value. How will be converted to int? It will obviously be converted into float because we need that decimal point value. That's why Python automatically convert the type to float. So this is also a feature of that. So there are other data types, there are other container types actually, rather than data types. There are lists, there are dictionaries, there are tuples, there are sets. So we will be looking further about it. We have just to look about all this, some of the example of this. I will be discussing some of the example of list as well as tuple and the dictionary, and in the next lecture we will gonna see deep about list, then on the next lecture dictionary, then on the next lecture tuples. So one by one we will cover all these topics. So at first, list 1. So for list, we have to give the second brackets like 10, and list can contain different types of data type. Like it have content 10, then my name string type which is Anirban, another string type which is another string type ANI, which is then another float type, suppose this. Okay, so let us see it is giving or any error or not. No, it is not giving an error because by list can contain any type of data, the combinations type of data. If I do type list 1, what it will give, it's give the class list. One thing we have to see, that in Python everything, every data type, every container type is a class type. Okay, so see what is giving 10 and even ANI 50. So it is giving like this. If I do indexing, what you will get? 10. It is more or less like array only, but array is a similar kind of data, right? But list is not a similar kind of, it contain doesn't have similar kind of data. It can contain numerous different data types to it. So we can just access it by the index also. Zero index, in zero index there is 10, in one index, let's see, it's one index, it is only one. So different types of data are there. Okay, then let's shift to tuple. What are tuples? Tuples are also similar thing only, but it is unchangeable or immutable. Tuples are immutable, which value can't be changed. List value can be changed, but tuple value can't be changed. Okay, same kind of data I am giving. Suppose this same kind of data I have given, and I'm just printing the tuple. So let's see what is giving. The same kind of data it is giving. Let's see one more example. See, same thing is going on, but one thing that is different. See, if I want to change this, we can change, right? See, so we can clearly see the list are mutable. That means anything inside the list can be changed. But can we do inside this in couple? Sorry, tuple. Let's see if we can do. See, it is a giving a type error. The tuple can't be changed. Tuple is immutable. That is, tuple values can't be changed. I will be showing you how a tuple value can be changed, how you can change a tuple value afterwards. So after in the next videos, let's talk about the dictionaries. So dictionary is a combination. It is a combination, or it is a catalog of items. Suppose car. Suppose car. Sorry for the interruptions. For the car, suppose this is your dictionary. Okay, so let us see the dictionary, what it gives. Let us print the dictionary. See, so this is the thing that dictionary have this these are called keys. This car and bikes are the keys, and these are the values. By the accessing the keys like car, right? By just giving the car in place of indexing, which we have seen in the list and tuple, we can access it by the keys. So dictionary one, so we are giving car, so it is giving its value, and there are numerous other functions also, like from keys. Sorry, these are only accessed by that. So we can just see that the items have been came like this pattern. Dictionary items, what are the items in the dictionary? So by this function, there are numerous other functions by which we can access items or manipulate items. After this video, after this lecture, in the next lecture, we will be studying all this list tuple dictionary in a very detailed manner. For this, stay tuned for the next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.